Today's customers expect services to work on their terms. To match those expectations, the motor industry is racing to embrace next-generation platforms and innovations geared towards customer centricity. Some motor vehicle manufacturers are redefining the role of dealerships in favor of centralized agency models. Others are deploying digital platforms to ensure uniform, holistic customer journeys. All in all, they want to deliver a well-oiled, end-to-end customer experience. As manufacturers zoom ahead, insurers are invariably less nimble, stuck in a slower lane, shackled by legacy technology and the perennial curse of big company bureaucracy. For this reason, insurers can unintentionally create friction for innovation-focused motor vehicle manufacturers and their customers. Wrisk's founders saw this misalignment. Leveraging their tech expertise and insurance know-how, they built a platform and suite of services specifically for the motor industry. Already, Wrisk is launching and managing branded insurance programs for some of the UK and Europe's most prestigious manufacturers, operating through its independent, regulated subsidiaries. Buying insurance, let's face it, isn't the highlight of purchasing a new car. Everyone needs it, but no one wants to dwell on it. But the days of tedious phone calls or referrals to non-branded insurance will soon be behind us, as most motor vehicle manufacturers now deliver their own branded insurance platforms. Motor vehicle manufacturers want to take it to the next level and offer a globally consistent insurance experience, adaptable across locales. However, the lack of alignment between systems remains cumbersome. The process of plugging in and out of insurers' antiquated systems can feel analogous to printing out an email from a manufacturer and posting it to the insurer. Valuable time and data fidelity get lost along the way. Most manufacturers have small in-house insurance teams, so expecting them to scale and deploy more efficient platforms is a tall order. For this, they're looking for an independent partner, a partner like Wrisk. Wrisk offers a single integration point for motor vehicle manufacturers' systems and apps, enabling them to embed products seamlessly and securely share data. The fully configurable platform supports branding across carriers, countries, and product lines. Insurance architecture and data flows retain a consistent look across programs and markets, meaning solutions can grow and remain future-proofed. Insurers are conceding that innovative customer-first models are destined to become the norm. To stay relevant, at a time when some manufacturers have started using in-house insurance capacity, insurers need to follow the customer's lead. Wrisk lets insurers create, launch, and operate varied offerings at scale. And instead of relying on a single annual touchpoint with customers, insurers unlock Wrisk's future-focused capabilities and wealth of granular, real-time data. Rather than hitting the brakes on change, it's time to step up a gear. Join the reinvention of insurance for the motor industry with Wrisk.